Tá nuacht olmhór againn ag HQ How to Gael a chairde because Tommy dul ar mhair a 2026. We have a Dublin and a Cork date, Steve. Agus Tommy still go more leis.
Tá muid bís. Imagine we're going to be down in Cork on the 28th of March. Agus an sin down a Chosca. It's the 5th of April. We're going to be around Stráide Chunnel in the Ambassador in Lochlia.
Ná bach leis na Hifka Cosca, this is where you want to be on Easter Sunday. Tá na ticket the Kirkig deal inis agus by na ticket the Lochlia deal an céad bheag seo.
So go, Gatapa agus Feigiad. Get them as Christmas presents, wouldn't you love it? Give the gift of How to Gael this Christmas.
Now, feicimid sibh ar Rádaí Chunnel nu in the People's Republic of Cork City.
Bhíoh nullag warwah go bh
An nullig seo tá How to Gael ag obair le Focus Ireland chun áir de haingt ar an bhaid títieachta atá adul an ulcas an tamar fad.
We believe that every Irish person deserves a home this Christmas, and right now over 5,274 children will be homeless this Christmas.
Tá sé seo scanalach nuair caiileann tú do bhaile titan de héil as de chéile chuann sé brú miltanachart ar de chláinte ar de bheabhar chláinte agus tá sé seo fear de fáistí agus de cuioine fásta a rain.
Tá sé seo mí cheart agus níl sé magalóir inis fé láthair tá 4,000 duine gan dídan fé láthair agus tá sé sinna dul an ulcas an tamar fad agus a dul a masaíocht. Tá líon na daine in emergency accommodation tréis dúbalt le 2 bliain anuas.
Tá súla goin go garóigh sibh linn an ggéire seo agus takeíocht a thuirt in a daoine seo.
Má tá cúplas pinge le spar agus an nullag seo le a thul bheimis ana-bhuíoch as de chuid takeíochta. Steve agus fáilte go How to Gael lumsa Siar.
Lumsa Louise.
Agus lumsa Doireann.
She an fucking nullagí guys.
Yeehaw!
One around she Solaire.
Yes.
She an nullagí. As Patrick Keelty said.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, gas.
Keiko Festivus Tomwood. I've never seen a crown of a Bon Reeve, but I like it.
There you go. It's a white Christmas, girl.
It's a white Christmas.
It's Uchther.
It's Uchther.
It's giving minimalism.
Yeah.
No.
It's a bit of you.
It's giving my hair without a toner. Kind of, isn't it? A kind of a brassy blonde.
Purple shampoo.
God,
Crown nullag.
Oh my God.
I thought she absolutely ideal. Agus an tinsel. Kind of cabin if we tinsel. The gná.
Tacky, bush.
Yeah.
The ruddy suit
It's
show.
all.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
the cooch like knock on a ruddy show in your dim hig agus gur hug my number feet.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I love like Louise's tack as well. Can't happen if we tinsel. You know, níl she ara macadana, but she's letting you know.
Because on Rod the Fias Raw was I would have always been of the school of tack. I would have thought tinsel was in the school of tack. Yeah. I think we'll shake kind of a tach the rash kind
It
of chic.
is. That's
We lower. It's giving like retro.
Sorry, show on Van a youth think on hot the show called Margot sequins there because she has PTSD.
G with sequin, yeah.
Yeah.
I do feel her, but that was a Marielle rather Horley Ladaniac Fred again. But I can tell you what I might get on board with is this kind of teal tinsel.
Teal tinsel.
Teal tinsel. There
No,
you go.
Shin and ground no look like. That would
Danae-
clash with the fur.
But it's nice in the bar cart, darling.
Yeah. So I'm going on to Architectural Digest here now and fucking fill them in. How to Gael is bringing back tinsel.
Well, you know, in the
it's giving
Shanna-
say nothing. It's giving trespasses. You know, on Tlí Gulmi to fall size resurgence in
Yes.
Drámaíocht agus rudí buintachlis na triblódís na seachtadígs na hochtadígs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
retro.
Tinsel is winterclash.
Oh my God. That was the first. Oh no, it's the 70s and the
tenant.
80s.
Of the triple.
Darren going to make a connection, man, so just go with it.
Yeah.
Tenuous
So back to what I like to talk about. The national question.
Do you know who that reminds
the
me of?
Uniting Ireland.
Patrick Pierce. That really does, actually. That little
No,
machine.
but I'm talking about like those period
Yeah. No, I know.
TV shows
Yeah.
about the 70s and 80s.
I
You know what I mean?
Agus leis na sáil sí nullag il data shit,
Yes.
you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, an assault on the
August
senses.
Nikeen, you know, on tinsel mashicon that like folds out and it's a little like Shinton,
Yeah.
where they can-
Get
they're
yourself
very
into.
nice.
You should go to Gainey or no? What's it? Guineys. Go to Guineys now.
Guineys, yeah.
Guineys is the pub we went drinking in last weekend. Guineys is where
Lord.
you go for all that kind of.
Or the ginger, is it the ginger man?
Oh, the ginger man.
Oh, the ginger man has a
Sorry.
load of them. Oh yeah. No, but if she
Yeah.
wants to buy it for her own house,
For my
she
own
knows,
house.
yeah. Or it's
Yeah.
a Riva Guineys. It's like
Oh,
Dublin
Guineys.
institutions are Talbot Street.
Sorry,
Sin
Limerick
off-
now, come on.
Oh well,
Oh,
oh
Guineys
geez, there you
gonna
go.
Limerick.
It's your Shannon size art and I go hey the Hannah
not
Hishmore
before.
yeah.
No, but I
You
know.
buy towels like
the
just
Shannon
bed sheets or
Marshall-
something Marshall and Sarah Nashgill.
Flat out here in a really if we her door.
Yeah, there you go.
Bed sheets done take a leg and
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh
and then
wow.
Hanley done kish. It's fucking bananas and mohawk we her.
Okay.
really?
All
Yeah.
exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bed sheets. agus-
Overdrive nesting.
But I take
yeah.
them when in come poor day and less, you know, you're kind
Oh,
of
I
like,
love it.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
like just an umrka Elma, like I can't
Yeah.
tell you that I've seen every set of sheets there's available on Ireland's and everyone look at ever again.
I know.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
Fair.
yeah,
What
yeah.
thread count did you go for in the end?
Ooh.
A word anyway.
No, like Carricade. Is that a word?
That's not a vibe. That's
yeah,
onwards, I
that's-
feel.
yeah.
Oh, is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
well,
That's
I don't know.
That's
I don't know. I haven't counted my treads Ladani.
Yeah.
I do.
You have a flannel. You have a
I do
flannel.
like a flannel
one. She has,
in
Maclia, yeah.
because the window in the bedroom is quite literally just
Yeah.
You need
outdoors.
fleece.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know if you had Ada Lloyd there, Cooper Shafter hit it? It was
Yeah.
like I swear to God, I was sitting in the bed and my hair was like blowing and through the window I was
The
like,
little
fuck it.
wisps under her little nightcap.
My tinsel trimmed nightcap.
Scrooge calling out her ghost of Christmas past.
In a pixtáig dul timp ar na man sa siad Florida, it's like the houses in the 1970s at Christmas time. It got broad leis na Bhuel. It was like, have you seen that? And it's how it's all white and grey and ish.
Yeah.
And streamlined.
Yeah, but I'm not the one with the Hanukkah box. I think it was new of the Home Alone house.
Yeah, a tragedy.
Fucking
Hanukkah mansion, yeah, rotten.
Yeah, it's just man ruddy and tinsel really.
Yeah, it's málamsa dahanna ládra sevra homely. See, now you know this about me. They're trinkets, clutter.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
That's rugs and art and books and just shite. I feel at home. Wrap me up in a fucking blanket of shite. And
No, I get it. You know what? I do that thing with the Dulux paint, right? And you know the way articles, they often just add their own little embellishment of you. But I don't remember saying this myself, but if I did or they made it up, I was like, it was very accurate. It was like, I'm at risk of having a house that could look like a car boot sale.
Yeah.
I kind of away, but I don't remember that I did. But anyway, if I said something along the lines, I thought very true.
Yeah,
because I feel I'm a bit like that. I do be collecting like shite.
Absolutely.
You know,
trinkets bugga, and like, but inchi had like scale the hail. Come on, you know what I mean? Because you're like, oh, I got this here, got this there. See, the man impressed with Shiva Gimshintum. And me and planning our father, and you're like, you're so much stuff, and you're like, I just don't want to have too much stuff. And I was like, that would never come into my head.
No, mar dun baby, mar like Darren Gachtan knock will actually an irritate tastal. Baby, you know,
Yeah.
agree number stuff agam, and then it's got them fault railish and stuff. Like that's a nightmare. Getting rid of stuff is a fucking nightmare. Some scary Garra Shearer shit.
Yeah, see,
Rivray.
that's the step of the plan that I forget.
Getting rid.
I'll just accumulate.
No, hoarder, hate it.
Yeah.
Can't live in that kind of clutter.
Yeah. Gas.
Yeah.
Fair play to you.
Although Caimé Raw, Capmaker minimalist a bhionum, but then Kermina Moshcon, Nulligan Ears, then Kay Dorsa Tig Shaw.
Oh, yeah.
It's Brawlham, Gwillan, Shomra, Sita now kind of.
Yeah.
It's really cozy.
Lawn,
Like awkward.
yeah.
Lawn.
I know.
Because still in our studio on it.
Yeah. Well, listen, like there's a few trinkets there I'd never get rid of. Catherine Connolly playing the banjo will be. I beg's taking that home if we ever end.
She'll be buried with that.
No, I think your core of it. You know, like Oranthair School, they have like a Teddy Gugger and she'd a while they need them there.
Yeah.
I think we're cartoon. They're shocking on dinner. Glock and a Catherine.
Oliver.
Catherine and Shaw. And then Kaiti picks the Glocka, pay all Danes too late. And then and Kate Shocknella will do a show and tell. Karev, Catherine and Talk.
Katrina Nichinila on the road.
Yeah. Well, Dagan and Curry of now Goris Nuchtron. We'll bring her along. Catherine.
That's it.
Would that be doty?
No,
Surely Don Curry Shinnichtach.
Yeah, comedy all in a Shinu or something. Yeah, Vechshingrass. Now, by God Almighty, I'm going to die of thirst here. Are we having a Christmas party or not? What's the story?
Right. Okay, you Oscar and Count and Oscar Mission Count Shaw.
Yes.
Tesco Finest, by God.
Tesco Finest Prosecco. The question is, will Louise drink it, or will this be the first Christmas row? Nothing says Christmas without a bottle of bubblies on a row.
On show a Daxi on Tain 5 Tall
but ní mála Prosecco.
Oh, well, Tom Carrot got Barlum, Glenna champagne, but listen, we'll work.
We brand new in champagne. I was like, I don't think I'm going to bring the Moet.
Okay, ní mála Moet really, but I would have even gone with a
too cheap. No, you can get Moet for under 100 quid. No, too cheap. Ní mála. Can made it Arbadell Moet.
Brewet, or is it Brewet? You was it like Brute? The Brute.
The Brute. The winner. Oh Lord.
Cé made a cosine Budel Moet and Sean Louise.
Oh, I don't be buying it. I'd be more of a Veuve Clicquot girl
for her. Would it be €10?
Veuve Clicquot I did actually buy recently for something, and I spent €120 on it.
Okay, we'll rate them all.
Okay, Suli Dunta now. Oh, oh,
Colini Brelahona.
Oh, yes, sir. We haven't even mentioned.
Sorry,
now the clan mission Glenny show her fad fair juice to me.
Hey, dog.
Just Marolis. Alcohol free agam.
Yeah, she's on the no second.
Although with the Vela lema hishmorin shock and chakasha and like the bullet really das own joke of Jan Olak and I was like, let me just put it to my lips.
Oh my God, Olaka.
Kier.
Oh, good ass.
So Kier is and joke as far So it's creme de cassis, which is a black currant liqueur.
Oh yeah, yes.
Brain into shin and then currants to ishka, or sorry, not ishka.
Big slug of Gorna. Agus Percy, would you like a little Christmas glass of Prosecco?
Come on, Percy.
Yes.
Orna, Shakan Ditcha,
Tan Fern or Faden saw.
Sorry, Orna, Kaitu Lampter and camera. For those of you who don't know, this is our rail.
Now. Woo! Oh no! Ah, Lara Horror, Orna! Woo! the hamster Donegal
or that Tarash.
Wait, Tarash.
That was a very big head I gave you. Hang on.
No, hang on.
Yeah, this is the worst pour I've ever done.
Well.
Do off
Yeah. There you go.
Leaning Michelle, will you? Yeah, Kirk Michelle, Nias Moshach.
No,
those glasses are very. You definitely washed out the bubbles. Are those bubbles coming from the champagne?
They are.
Fucking washing up liquid.
I do. Well, Orna takes up for Derek's feigmach. No.
Excited.
Oh, fair play. Well, anyway, shushing.
Slánta fanná. She and Unagi.
Now. Slánta. Well, the Varamar and céad.
The Varamar.
Gomaramid bio céad bella agus míle a bhórsin agus gomédó ag gcuid agus cuid ar n-éisteoirí. Gur céad míle maithagah as tiúnálaisteach and being here for the madness.
I heard a day troker Aislinn.
Amen.
So when you thought with a calora céad episode to quit how to Gael.
Mental. We're 100 episodes old. There you go.
I know.
We look fantastic. It's all the SPF and face cream from 100 years of age.
We do look fantastic, but Bheimis siar of Owens and Cinnte. Not that we looked better, but we looked amazing golf, you know him.
No, I actually it's quite triggering. I find it very triggering now to see that era of my blonde because it's just gone down and I've spent an obscene amount of money since it. Now actually I have to shout out to Philly Willy. To Chara Philly Willy. I had long been told that the only place in Dublin to go to get your blonde done is in Philly Willy's salon out in Rathfarnham, and I went and he's got me back to mhair bhuilimid bhuiach smórla dia. So please God now come summer 26 guys. I'll never be. You'll never have seen me look so well. I'll be blonde from head to toe. It works wonders for you. It does.
Actually, you got me screenshots because I was like the many growing of there in the Glock on. Yeah.
But you remember, I had a terrible time that time when I tried to dye my hair that brown colour coincided with the time I also vomited on this podcast. So it was just a terrible. It was a terrible 6 weeks. Yeah,
I know. But isn't it gas? Like brand new sheer. Like I even feel. Do you know when we were at Murach, I was bang in the prime of my bridal era. I was dear post out. Jesus, I was a great Nick. Everything, the skin was glowing. Like I was still in my eyelash extension era, you know. Just whereas now I'm like fucking twitching and like you know, salmon sperm full of that.
But it is mad. Like me had like Neil would hate Ahro and Irwin Shin. I'd say that milk the Niele Brand or any shot ni at no sheed. But I'm like, Cunnis could just call in the title of Shin August an ish. And like no fair enough, I'm pregnant. But thought like actual differ out.
No,
we look fucking exhausted.
What?
We look haggard.
I know an am TV.
It's all the drinking lads.
Be trained down. August Bheimer actually exhausted.
I think this year took a lot out of us.
Yeah,
collectively. I think just who's good like annachud tasta, annachud tarlú, absolutely fucked.
And rock with Rashik and Penthouse. Is that the answer to the good better skin, better hair?
Look new now and they shout.
Dying to see it.
Yeah, Shani has it's a shea bon, but listen, I'm maximising it le mashikon, etc.
Ní bheith sé bon avad, as Louise's famously said on the podcast, she does love an old sneaky ride on the couch. So
I said that.
Keep on up and she bought an each in.
Oh, but I don't know. You know the way you get sweaty, tan, all that kind of crap.
Oh yes,
you know.
Marinating.
Look, Shiva, you've actually also said that you like sneaky ride on the couch as well.
I wouldn't be staining it anything other than. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't. Sorry, I don't know where I was going.
You're naturally tan, so that's
nice little throws.
Okay, great.
Keep it all,
perfect. So I can relax on your couch and not be worried about.
Kate von Gade, make curry and tach the scata lads. Oh my God, I made it from scratch. What came over me?
What?
I know, like housewife of the year, and I was like, not the dinner to be a hair dolog nua, you know.
No, June-work's a bitch to get out of it. It's a bitch.
And merchandise. But anyway, look, I just covered it up. We've all these nice little throws, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Lift tell the tale. So you fall to more like but I don't know when we'll on pod igtach rash ni doile me.
No, well, we've set up here now. This feels like home now. We've the Christmas decorations.
Yeah. And like you know, there's a housing crisis. We're settling in here. Yeah, you know, like beggars can't be choosers.
Absolutely.
Beidir town mai mo runtain is fial grind live.
Yeah, so exciting.
Do you know ads be more glad I guess like reminiscing on
Go on.
I thought that I might add to the clutter.
Oh, okay, perfect. That's exactly what we want.
And I can't believe it hasn't made it to the set yet, but this is Cinnte na Queenie Farlam. I think when I think back of Ag Tosnú Amach podcast, this speaks to me.
This is Cupon
a Rish Durin Sonorason. August Doors Fagan I said maybe you've broken our friendship. But girl, I think bhfuilimid all right.
Yeah, I think
we're just cosú leis an cup on
Dolo
top.
narts gan arts.
That's it. So
No, nach das. Okay.
Agus Shiva, a little sauce on beag.
Oh, girl, meat of
Now, there you go. The famous I couldn't.
Knock dough to you.
So for anyone,
Yeah.
So for anyone who wasn't tuning in from the start, when we started the podcast, I just was affronted with the choice of Delph in Louise's apartment. Very thick rimmed cups that I was slugging back my tea in, and it was laborious.
Yeah.
So I said I wasn't having it anymore. I wanted a nice thin rimmed.
Yeah.
The porcelain, and I got a set of lovely porcelain mugs and a lovely porcelain plate for every time we brought over cakes and biscuits. Now that is very OG how to gael nervy shit cinema.
Mar, that was actually counting. It was on céad, on céad real a Reimer in Verm Fishon was there in a Garon Fuin Delph.
Oh my god,
Wow.
full circle.
What a throwback.
Okay, go Holland, Kirshin.
Now I don't feel bad for not bringing a gift anymore because she just wrapped something of Visa Tigaki and
she's re-gifted. She's re-gifted my present to her 2 years later back to me.
Can we just say knock das and rodé nar chas the mock on cup on shin? Chamad me on cup on.
We don't throw anything out.
I don't know. Is that out of sentimentality or more so hoarding?
Yeah, it is of course out of hoarding. But you're
not das
pay off today.
Who was the son now? Nakla Catherine Pesci Gold and Champagne
Catherine
and
So Delph was on céad or the bheagam. So Tom gon brand new shear on the end of brand new shear, kind of like the cuimhneacháin fearr agus na n-éisteoirí mar curmer college mocker Instagram agus hannig round cuimhneacháin stock, but fresh and cuimhneacháin shear caught me wad number ka emeidal shear our Instagram and just like skitting. So lilting.
I thought you'd never ask.
Okay. Miley Cyrus flowers led the hull.
Okay.
Diddly idly do diddly idly do. Obviously full snare there, you know.
Oh yeah. Well, sure, of course. I mean,
well, good dear, come here, Svisha.
Sorry, like
I'll give you
lilting's not something you forget.
No, but good dear. But like
it's a skill that stays with you for life.
On Feather Lat Flowers the end of good dear, come here into a.
Oh well, no, because lilting is actually the Shakasula, jazz musicians they improv. It's improv the whole time. Like the first time around, I might go diddly idly do dum, diddly idly do diddly idly dum. But then the next time I go skidly idly Raxfaldram, skidly idly do. You know what I mean?
You would not do a Raxfaldram.
Raxfaldida. Well, that's what it depends for. Maybe there's a go. Beams to shine to kill. Pertini bill lookum Rexfaldio eteltoidi. There you go.
Oh, now new a gavage me shin of the fefe cuig. Kane Aaron Moore of
Pony Club.
Oh yeah. Diddy idly do Rexfaldia idly skiddy idly dum diddy idly lampadi idly dotty dum diddy idly Rexfaldia idly skiddy idly dum.
I think she's trying to get
Rexfaldia.
Are you lost? Or with Pink Pony?
Yeah, I can't remember what Pink Pony comes up.
No, bin A, no, fian tune.
Yeah.
I just know Rexfaldio.
Rexfaldio.
Sounds like a.
Dirty bill lookum Rexfaldio eteltoidi. Guys, isn't it amazing? 2 years I've been single. Unbelievable. And I meet them. Oh Lord, I do. and they as soon as I hear that.
In their defence, this is the first time in 2 years we've heard you racks skiddly do.
Yeah.
So you should have pulled out the racks scandal idol a bit sooner.
That would be the trick to it.
If we know you had that.
If we knew you had my arsenal, well, there you go, in my back pocket. Imagine what else I know that I don't tell you girls.
Racks skiddly idols.
And then on céad a cúmer kind of like umlan viral was the Kerrygold video.
Yeah.
The Kerrygold versus Flora.
Yeah.
And I don't know, Cinnte vís an Ishan shin. Like friction shin the America.
Well, Cullis of Vohi and Tussam Yowler, because we were really questioning your life choices, and you have, in fairness to you, you've given up the Flora, have you?
Yeah.
You're full time at the Kerrygold.
I haven't given up the Flora, but I have. It's concurrent. I have Kerrygold and Flora.
Right.
You know, so being Kerry. No, I don't fucking mix them. I'm not a
sorry. That sounded like a wild.
What do you put Flora on like? What's that about? Like?
Yeah, níos stuff agus Kerrygold to take on.
Yeah.
But like, some things call for Kerrygold and some things call for Flora.
And like, give me an example. What calls for Flora specifically?
If I don't believe Kerrygold.
Yeah. Well, is it a thing for your conscience? Like, is it to make you feel better that you're on the Flora?
I don't know. It's actually just an osca me canach so being only to take.
Oh, and I shouldn't have rug canny in the Harrick's Flora. Was it because you remember there was a trend downtown?
No,
vegan.
No, my water's maher.
Oh, they were into
No.
sheets and
They're
Fí tréimhse ann shall go luas na naughties that people thought if you had high cholesterol that if you had these spreadable things that it would but you took it off and thanks be to God
no, like that's one of the
Put you on the
effects of how to
straight and
go
narrow.
is you've forced me to buy a €5 pound of butter once a week, you know.
What you know what's chronic Churmisha so scale couple of meo hin on Columbus Avenue. I was in it must have been Target doing my shop on Columbus Avenue in New York City, and a half pound of Kerrygold was cheaper to buy in Manhattan than it is in my local supermarket. Yeah, so scandalous.
But your local supermarket is Notions Nolan's.
Well, no, I've actually now I'm shopping it. Look, I fluctuate. If I have a few small messages to get, I will go to Notions Nolan's because they have really good quality produce, but you'll pay an arm and a leg for it. Then like if I'm doing a big shop, I'll go to Dunnes Stores. The 10 off 50 is actually great value. And then if I have like store bits to get, I'll go to Lidl or Aldi. Yeah, Louise hasn't a breeze. She goes into Dunnes for the sushi box.
Go on, I actually use my Tesco Club card and I save on that.
Yeah, so do I. Guys,
I Tesco calling me
an online shop in Tesco-ish.
Do you?
Yeah.
Sale. Ahraha.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
I was going to start going online with John. See, Dunn's is an Irish company though. And Euro Gaelach.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Well, this is very exciting content, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Well, do you know Nura Kurmer on Well, what I want to say about Kerrygold Gate was the land Chris O'Dowd Hey, Sean Fishon.
Yes.
So we did enough to lure him in, and it's Cuimhneacháin Mega now, and we were like, we've made it.
Yeah. And I have since met Chris O'Dowd, and he's gung ho to come on Out Gael as a guest. So actually, we must pick up that thread.
Yeah,
absolutely. Lads.
Hold us to it.
What was it about us that?
What was it about? Well, no, I didn't have to ask. Come on. It's all the lilting in the Kerrygold.
Well, like I don't know. I'd be like, come on, Chris. Like I'd have to go with really grand for it.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to push my luck with him. You know,
you were trying to play cool.
Yeah, I was trying to play cool. Go on, have we now another little drop up there for a second to go there?
But fashion like
Nervisha
a mini moon in Sicily and Will Ladinio Verica and Horla Shea Garevan Fearr Heish Veg Lannion Tau to Gael Fearr Americana could be Heish Veg Lannion Tau to Gael Mariole and Kerrygold Fishon.
Wild. There you go, full circle. That was insane. That was insane.
The doors that Kerrygold has opened for me.
We're still waiting for a sponsorship. Kerrygold, and we're giving them all this frick now. Kerrygold, tá mise Lart Gadira Cliffshare episode céad How to Gael. For God's sake, would you ever give us an sponsor? We don't even get a shout for the PR boxes.
I have a pitch for Kerrygold actually, because we say Jane Vagalev le Alison Spittle Ladani, and she said the only thing that would be more iconic as an Irish comedian than doing a live show in the Guinness Storehouse would be to do one in the Kerrygold Creamery. So How to Gael Bio.
Yeah, let's
coming to you live from the creamery. Kerrygold, if you'll have us beside the machines that
we'll
make
it turn the butter, we'll wash the butter, we'll churn the butter, we'll
wouldn't we love that?
Churning and
crew meat na
yes.
Oh Lord, bring us to Kerry. Bring us to the kingdom.
Bring us to the north.
No, Dana would have who's Kadera?
Gorge, like that'd be a bit of us now.
Gorgeous.
Perfect. Kerrygold Gate.
And cater that 5k gate.
Yes.
There's a recurring theme here now.
They're in Arish.
Okay. Do you know, when we went for a run in Canada, I didn't want to go for a run, but Louise kind of forced me out, and I said, okay, fine, I'll go for a run with you. And it was ridiculous o'clock for sure, really forward. There was like, have you ever gone running in the snow? And it's very painful on your lungs, right? And Louise is like, we went for the run, and like Louise, in the lovely way, she said, do you like the tinsel? God, you're a very strong breather when you run, aren't you?
It's a great pair of lungs that you're there.
Yeah, great pair of lungs. You try running and lilting in -degrees.
No, we should actually adding as Cumra Gray, and was it Irene Gray?
Yeah, it was Irene Gray in Vancouver for the 24 hours, and there I was running in Louise's knickers on fair play tour.
But like on Fishon Akuik viral, and Yakuik viral was to be to raw Grian to 5k in 38 minutes.
No, was it 30? I was it 35 minutes.
No. I watched the video in there. It was 38 minutes.
That is shocking.
Yeah.
No, that's absolutely
was
like
that 10k surely? No, 5.
I think.
No, my 10k time. The last time
2
I ran a
hours.
10k. No, 2 hours. No, 1 hour. 1 hour and 5 minutes, and I thought that was really good. And my sister was like, "Are you fucking serious?"
Oh, that's Anava. It is 10.
An hour and 5 minutes. No, it's not.
Anyway, we'll not get. We won't go crunch the numbers.
No, we did a 5k though. Michigan Sussa Rahin Tarek, and how what do we do that in 32 minutes?
Yeah, it was closer to 30 than 38 anyway.
Yeah, it was. So come on. So I look, in another 2 years, I'll shave off another 3 to 4 minutes.
Should be doing the double marathon.
Yeah, we
all
did,
out
we
with
did
her.
that in 32. In fairness to us, we did. And we hadn't done, like, that's the only 5K I've run this year. So that was straight off the block.
I think we're going to make all count and Melina Coma.
Yeah.
Just gotta pick it up.
Do you know what? When the baby comes now and you're back at the running, we'll do a few more of them. Because I actually was going to do it this Saturday and lo and behold, I didn't.
No, Caitheamh, Mhair, then Mhair, I got shopping. I have to send out a big, I was doing an apology post to the Mhair because I said that he had done that it was his 299th park run because I had that number in my head and it was actually his 347th.
Wow. Oh my God, sorry, he's going to write a letter to the Irish Times.
Honestly, that's why I have to do an official correction.
Yeah, do, because he'll be in there. He'll be in there.
Yeah.
Shiva's dad is the cutest thing ever. Gminnick, being scríomh literature in Irish Times, and I just think it's the cutest thing of all time.
Yeah, he's in the hundreds and chin. Come on,
yeah,
he's a man
so
for
cute.
numbers.
Yeah, and like I'm just thinking of him, like, you know, like editing, re-editing, and you know, it all goes in. And
like,
she'd come on.
Yeah, but Fiona here for year, he was like, look at this one, and like near Isle Shiake, but he still has them. You know,
that's
he's like, this is a good one. You know,
that's really
cute.
Yeah. Do you know, you should put them on a little scrapbook.
I know, come on, hey, she should a flay.
Okay. I'm sorry, Dermot, I might have ruined your
Maybe Dermot would bring us out for the Al Park run.
Yeah,
would. Yeah.
He's a very speedy and like fit looking man. Like, you know, he's a man. If you, do you know those kind of men you'd pass in the street and be like, he looks agile.
Yeah.
Very agile.
That's my dad.
There you go. We often say it about him. Very agile.
Dermot Agile O'Rourke.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll get him to do a run and a Patreon ep with us.
Yeah. Oh my God, that'd be amazing.
When Shiva's on maternity
we don't want to do a 38-minute long Patreon episode.
No, guys, so unfair. So unfair.
She's moved on.
There's been like
this no set goes.
Yeah,
let them all. Okay, and Cater Della was Cuishnor Louise.
Yeah. Oh God.
I can still smell it.
And now that Bhuel to go Arashikoni full time to Declan, has he started decanting vegetables into the fridge and has he taken over that job?
No, like we've been really shite. But actually on Tachnishkata we did a first kind of, we were like, we have to try to like make homemade food on Tachnishkata. Yeah. Because I think we lower, we're still like riding the buzz of the owl, you know, to get n-éisteoirí. We have this siar and céad, or honestly Mohim co giddy le daily. I'm like, we're back in our 20s backstage and we're like, it's Tuesday and no one is training and no one's doing anything. What will we do? And like go for a pint.
And you can eat carbohydrates and really Martin.
Well, like you could always eat the carbohydrates to be fair, but like you're right,
shy food, like
shite food,
and
you can just do anything. So we're we're going on a leis school. There's no 5Ks and there's no decanting veg happening. But you know what? Though, and Cuishnor falls down and it's fairly full of, but that's all right.
That's all right.
A few mushrooms, you know, and
always mushrooms. Always mushrooms.
I do
of all varieties.
Like
mushrooms are very good for
zero
you.
Nutritional value.
Do they not?
Well, what the fuck are in mushrooms?
No,
nice
sometimes they're better. Look, there's more things you can get out of food than just vitamins. You know, sometimes they bring you on a journey. You figure things out.
Okay, it's not magic mushrooms in the kitchen fridge. Like these are just my done store. My Tesco Eurosaver menu. No, not Eurosaver.
I know the reduced
to clear.
Yeah, reduced to clear.
You like a little yellow sticker?
I love a yellow sticker.
Oh, that is very juxtaposing now for you, Louise Cantillon.
Yeah, I do, because I probably won't cook them anyway.
She goes to Brown Thomas for the clothes and then to the yellow sticker aisle for the
you got to prioritise. That's like Kerry Bradshaw. Well, I couldn't afford dinner. I just ate. I bought a Vogue magazine instead because it just fed my soul more.
She's like so annoying.
I know, she's so
I'll
annoying.
never be that much of a dose.
I'll tell you one thing: she wouldn't be able to do 5K in 38 minutes.
No, but makes me feel enough here. Like obviously, it's Brawlham, Sex and City, it's Brawlham brand wear, but like she's so performative, Marguna. I think she'd really great in me, Mark Cara.
Yeah,
you know,
so too.
Over the top.
Like only 1 degree separation between myself and
SJ.
Here we go. But Caitheamh are all like, Tá mise hate really achrú. Haimh mo Cuishnor de.
Go on.
It's just like you wouldn't recognise my fridge today.
I thought yours was ana-bhuíoch and
no, it's bhíoch sé, but now it's in a cure húhal and bhí tosa car in yov.
Yeah.
And my car is in, like, it would probably get rejected from the NCT because the car there.
That actually brings
really?
Neil Shay but well no
that's horrific. No, the new car's going well 2 weeks now.
Yeah, Agus bhí sé anna glán
now. The carpet in Darren's old car could talk to you.
Yeah, no, it was all dog hair. You couldn't actually see the colour of it.
You could make a dog out of it.
Yeah. But so it's actually on Trúirgring is so good to the still treat and made Ahra saying it's mo because like you were a single girl and now you're married, baby on the way, like what, and obviously Tatu Troy Shas of Sheer on Duch, and like, you know, my whole kind of personality is that I like a few pounds.
Well, it's kind of enforced, you know.
I know.
Well, yeah, but Remish, like you know, it's like you're a real adult now.
I know.
No,
and the rest of us are bringing up the rear.
You're not.
Well,
Look at her. She once wore, I'll tell you now how much of a real adult she is. She came with me to Ireland Fashion Week with no pants on. She just wore tights and a shirt. She got the arse out.
Arse
out.
Yeah, the cheeks to the wind.
Yeah, you did. Well, yeah, the arse out. That was not very adulty of you.
No, it wasn't.
Was it on church?
And no, it wasn't. It was council. But sorry, can I also say I've reverted in some ways. Like my fridge is a state there, and I'll have you know.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were going to tell me it was really organised.
No.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Right,
horrendous.
because I was like, of course, you're nesting.
No. My fridge and my car have both gone horrendous. And I think that's...
Come on, Cathal, get on it.
Yeah,
get on it.
Go on and Krishnor.
Yeah. And why? What makes the fridge horrendous?
I just haven't been tending to my Krishnor as I used to be.
I was going to suggest that we put up updated Krishnors, but I actually think that's
really
boring.
I actually wouldn't want to. We did that. Although Dark Molish.
Yeah.
Remember episode Air Krish Vrida, Krish Vrida, and it was our worst episode ever because we were so concentrating on doing the Krish Vrida that it was basically a silent episode.
Yeah.
But you know, go into Krishna Shin Fos.
I will.
There you go.
Yeah.
No.
Are they still protecting us, I feel?
Yeah.
There you go. Well, Chris Vrida, there you go. Yeah. I mean, another great woman.
We were just mute. Like,
femur, the concentration hard, tongue sticking out, like, you know, we're trying to fold up the luchrib. But anyway, look, begarish going.
Yeah, the
cool of day because, lads, I fucking tell you one thing. The long evenings are, I came home the other day from the gym at 3:30, right, and I had a shower and I just wasn't thinking, so it was so dark out, I just automatically put my pajamas on, and then I was like making a cup of tea, and then I was like in my pajamas, and I was like, what? I was like 4 o'clock, and I was like, this is insane.
I know.
I never do, and I actually
pajamas.
No, I know. Can I tell you something? It actually plummeted me into a depression for the rest of the evening, and I was like, will I just go? I was like, will I just put on my normal clothes again? And I was like, oh, am I arsed? And I should have, because it made me really depressed for the rest of the day.
Does it have pajamas
when it's really cold? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm wearing a big hoodie and pajama bottoms.
I can just picture there she's having this internal struggle, like, do I stay in my pajama? Do I put on my outdoor clothes? Like, what do I?
No, honestly, I spent the whole evening freaking out about the whole thing. I don't like wearing pajamas. I think they're famously. Yeah, famously. I know, because I was saying to Louise last day when we were down at Other Voices, right? Louise, I was like, I better pack pajamas because there is a chance now that Louise and Declan will have to stay with me, and I can't obviously be like sleeping in the nip with the two of them in the room. So I packed pajamas especially because I was like, I'm going to have to wear them when these are around. Yeah. And lo and behold, they did have to stay with me, and I did wear the pajamas. So
did you?
I wore pajamas.
I
just wear a hoodie and pajama shorts. I don't like full.
She was
leg.
imagining.
I get
she was
itchy.
imagining.
I thought she might have been. Yeah.
No,
I went to bed in a thong and Duran's polo neck. So now
I know, but that was okay for you.
Mental vision of order.
Yeah, but that's what that was usually. I slept. I have your jumper because I slept in Louise's bed the week before in her jumper and a thong. So actually, I returned them. So there you go. Yeah.
Anyway, gorgeous.
I'm delighted that you're in the tongs now full time because I did have to have a word to make that.
Well, care if you care to for
I just Louise out. Come on, down through the years we have questioned her choice of underwear.
Well, I do listen. A brand new wear.
As long as they're seamless, she's happy.
I do like a seamless Brazilian.
Oh yeah.
No, but no. Come on, there is a couple of the triangle pair that you'll wear. I only wear them if I'm on my period. Those like triangle pairs that you get from Dunn stores.
Oh, that are like knickers.
Yeah, knicker. Like I wore them when I was 9 years of age, and I wore them.
They do a nice. If you buy a knicker style from Victoria's Secret or Ain Oitella, and you get a nice material one, they're actually gorgeous.
Are they? I might listen. I might go wild in 26.
You know what? I think caitheamh níos Oscailte the Agna go ruddy be a feminist, wear big knickers, girl.
Yeah, but I don't like wearing them. I just feel gick. I have a small arse.
But can't fog
I have a small arse, and it just it drowns. I got a rude awakening this year. Actually, one of the worst things that happened in 2025 was I wouldn't really be one to like spend too much time freaking out about like my body or how I look, but then a camera panned to my flat arse on tracks and trails, and I was like, have I been walking around for the last 30 plus years with this flat arse and I just didn't realise?
But draw rowa leggings.
It was a draw rowa leggings, but at the same time it was very confronting, and then And then what I realised is I don't like those knickers drown out my arse. When there's too much material and not enough arse to fill them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's loo material, it's mo over on
for all of us small
Girl,
arse
you
girls.
should have got on board with those. Do you remember in pennies? Nakina Vian Leshna Bosch.
No.
Like the chicken fillets for your
No,
bum.
I think you can be comfortable in what God gave you, but you just also have to play to the home crowd. You know what I mean?
Enhance it naturally, you know.
Naturally.
Now, I'll tell you, nothing makes your arse look flatter than a baby bump.
Yeah, that's probably just
Sorry, that was really aggressive agreeing. You didn't have to agree that hard.
I was going to say,
she was like, yeah, it's fucking.
But I was going to say because also you have the injury, of course, to go with that. So it's just on all sides.
I shouldn't Rodella.
You're all bumps.
My arse is ruined. No, it's fucking ruined.
One of her arse cheeks has been cut in half. It's the only way to describe
really bad. I'm really upset about it.
But dude, did the doctor said to you could get a little...
I could get a cosmetic procedure.
Yeah, but you might in time get it refilled.
You might in time. Listen, if we get a few more Patreons, she might be able to afford it, right?
Join us on Patreon. Bonus episode. Got shocked
Yeah.
Because you see, but like now, Shiva, you're so symmetrical everywhere else. In fairness, of all the places to lose symmetry,
to be fair,
it wasn't the worst spot, and it's a
you were
great
married.
talking point.
It is.
I
know.
How has that filled out at all during pregnancy?
No, I actually think that it's become
followed more.
Yeah,
you'll have to show us later on. I haven't seen it.
I'll give you
I haven't seen it.
But the bump at the front just makes it just enhances the flatness of behind. You know.
Yeah.
But sure, that's because like, come on.
Well, look, the good news is. No one will be looking at your arse when you're giving birth, so you'll be all right. They'll be all looking at the front.
Who says?
Action.
Who says?
Who says?
I thought your bump looked exceptional in your Inchadani reel.
Oh, Garmaga. Yeah,
I thought that little what you call the house coat and the
Well, I mean, how else was I going to get my bump out in fucking December?
Fair.
I needed a spa break, you know, to show off.
We could have brought out another set of Bonnies to get the bump out in December. But look, I'm glad you went down that route.
Yeah. That'd be really good ass actually. Like I'm fucking goffalish and yeah, be really good ass. Yeah. Okay, in Cater Della on Queen Living Orshin, Gurianamur. On Pud Create Hafta is studio like to start Flocklia, but we forgot to tell Louise there was a photo shoot and she arrived in tracksuit bottoms.
She was right, honestly,
Ori of a Mahale, and I'd say an Orderna Chuma. And they were Stella McCartney by Adidas. They weren't even the worst, but Neil Sheesh, Neil Sheesh they have Ohin. That's another PTSD. I'll have to start selling my PTSD clothes on Vinted. But it's going to haul them around, and not alone were we greeted to a beautiful studio, but to a photographer van Nacht. To do, remember he was lying on the floor. Remember that shoot he did outside?
I've never
seen a woman
in a car park called shots as much now. She was like, I'd say we'll wrap up here now. Anyway, we're like,
she's like, I've got the shot now, have you?
Yeah,
get up there.
Perfect.
Get up there, good man.
Yeah, get up there. Yeah, I'd say the neck is worn off. You come on, go away. I know.
But he was committed now. Come on to the cause.
Yeah, and Fianna Pic's good.
Fianna Pic's good.
Yeah. Well, our life beyond growing is far.
Guys, honest to God, we looked 10 years younger.
But it was I just her Bhuel linn.
I know.
Yeah, she was. Yeah. Well deserved.
But I don't look too bad in them looking back.
No, you don't. No, it doesn't look bad at all.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? When you take a picture straight away, you're like, oh, this looks shocking. And then if you give it 6 months, you're like, oh, that wasn't so bad.
God, airplane mode, it drives you mad, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, the Govli, Heish Govli and And then on Cian Darren of Yagam so if Brandy were on Instagram, not they're going. She goes, every day I do my morning dump of thoughts.
Really funny. That's so funny. Do you know that when Instagram dumps became like a thing? Do you remember his thing for a while? And I put up like dump. I just put jump something, and a couple of my aunts and uncles rang my mother, being like, "Jeez, Riviscuts. Go in there and Trish, Rudagan and Chursus and something other dump the madne." And then they just didn't understand that it was like a photo dump. There go around my girls kind or Murach and so like.
But it was Casula. Did you ever see Kelly Osbourne, Erin Glover?
Yeah.
She was like, "Who's going to clean your toilets, Donald Trump?"
I know.
It was that vibe.
It was
you were like, of thoughts.
Yeah, and I actually went so red. But I have such an aversion to talking about poos and stuff. I can't do it at all. I know until I got over the
And what? When
she Galway Comedy Fest.
I
had a great story. But no, that's
really embraced.
That's between me, agus Luchfechne,
Galway
Comedy.
Agus Patreon. I thought you were
Patreon. Yes. Yeah.
In fairness,
yeah.
You covered all bases.
Anyway, Say no more about that.
Right, but go right go dí then straha dó. So clúdach sin kind of straha hain agus muid fós san orasán and then bhugamar go dí an studio. So ein highlights a gwibh on studio.
Gá highlight. Den eigen titim in na cholle agus sin tafet.
Oh gosh. Ní aine Aaron bud crowd.
No, ní aine Aaron bud crowd. But we thought we were being like this classical thing. I thought we were incredibly hilarious, and then they hit the neg na cholle agus sin a lauert, which was really humbling. And then of course me vomiting of laughter. That was I laughed so much.
What is a podcast without some bodily fluids?
You know,
yeah. Hopefully my waters will break the studio, and then we'll be
that would be amazing.
Content.
You know,
it will be great content.
You bring low dog rare now that my waters broke, so maybe it was premonition chance in you.
There you go.
Splish splash.
Roll a go full.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I had a dream that she was going to go early.
Yeah,
I did.
I wouldn't mind going a little bit early now. Ta shocked and he fuck go.
Wow. Does it feel uncomfortable yet? Because you know the way you get so big and it gets
I don't think it'll make me come go full. I make a lot of noises when I stand up and sit down.
Okay.
Do you feel like you're carrying? You know the way do you feel like you're carrying around something heavy?
Not really. No. I'd say Bader again, like coop shock me. No, it's not at that stage yet.
Okay.
No, so Bader a dro and Derrig are fought.
Yeah.
My thought like knock more Gavi Falka and they really barrel up and wait now with dro and Derrig. You know? So Bader and Shin, but
so exciting.
I know.
Wild.
But but like your due date is a load of bollocks. Like only 3 to 5% of babies are born on the due date that you're given.
Okay.
So
and usually on the first you overcarry anyway, don't you?
Yeah. Listen to my new podcast, find out more.
Yay!
Absolutely. But no, it's Queen Lemmy Tusney Mox the studio new and céad, or we were really like, oh my god,
we didn't know ourselves.
We actually didn't know ourselves. Lights, camera, action, got August. I think Cian and Roddy Moore Adamsa was like sitting down and being like, lads, there's demand for us to go on a tour. August Veg Dollar and Moore.
Wild.
Because like it's good to reminisce, isn't it? Like you're Tusney Mock and you never really think.
Well, Shin actually catch the Haskell McCurve like care to heel shiv nor a husney or how to go. Go Dorloach.
But do you remember Sarah Husnimer? We were toying with the idea for Bader shit. Like so, Husnimer called me me fiaura, and then Cúigeann céad episode me year for, and I was pushing so much over those months, being like, girls, it's going to be unreal if we do something. I really think like cred amount galodger, and I really like. Now Shiva was the hardest to nail down.
I know we made
Shiva really druggled, and I would always every now and then I'd be like to Louise. But Louise, like, we have this deadly idea and I really think we need to run with it because it's going to be really great.
Were you going to do it God made?
No, but we were like, had we committed, it was like, you were just so hard to pull in.
Yeah.
And we were like, I was like, if me and Louise have everything set up, then you'll come in much easier. But if you, I knew that like, you would be really, you were just very difficult to pull into the whole mix. And then again, you were like, also there was another potential putcraila that you were talking about doing, and then you were like, oh, you did the How to Gael and none it. And I just knew in my gut if we did it.
Yeah.
But you were a team. You were like, oh, will I do this? Will I do that? And we were like, what are you talking about? If we do this, I actually think it could be a serious thing. And I really like Visa going among that it would be.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, it's more in Rod Ain Rod the new mock. For anyone, if you're starting off a new podcast, there is that element of cringe factor where you're like,
totally.
How will this be received? How will it go down? So it's
we toss a co-nervy shock. And Queen that on Nerkermer on Fogram off over Louise was like
I really was
that's true.
And I think it's Marielle go Willem Shahesh and Blianta Kavik over in audio, like in radio. I was like, if I go onto another audio platform, podcasting seemed so like different. It got broader radio, but now I'm like, oh my god, it's such a joy because there's so much on Mage and Saoirse. You're Neil to throw in there curb, but like we could have never ever. Ag tosnú amach agus ag tafod an céad epsin How to Gael. Anticipated. And that was a real, for me, that was a big moment that was when we sat here and we were ag map all amach na háitna. Like the concept, like booking flights to Vancouver, going
that
to
was
a show in New York.
I was actually thinking about that recently. We were on Zoom and a chéile being
mental.
Like, but if Misha Sweeney there, Chomami Allershin, because Shiva, you were always saying, if I'm going to do it, I really need to be all in, and I don't know if you were like, I don't know if I'm ready to commit. And we really relied on the editing skills. Done Chéad Shra, it was all Shiva. Like we hadn't a clue how to do it. But Vimar Sishis is Queen Vitas occur. Giga láthir I Limnach a gur Guinness, and I was in Clare and I got the intercity link down to Louise's little show, and I was like, I want to say to her again about the
It was just a
wee little shitty show.
No, it was like a small. Where was that?
It was a small
the
little
Guinness thing.
It was
unimportant.
yeah. No, but it was like a
little small shit show.
No, we love Guinness, guys. They were one of our sponsors.
So sang a tune that night.
Yeah,
So
but it was like it was an intimate gig.
It was nice.
That was their whole shtick. They were like they were
yeah.
creating these intimate gigs,
and
it
we
was
measure fós like I Mahoney either Limnock agus
exactly.
agus hánig tusa. Yeah,
and I came down. I got the intercity down, and then it was like in the summer, and I was like, I really want to say to Louise again about the podcast, but I was like, I've been so annoying about the whole thing. I was like, I don't want to say it again because it's like I'm being such a melt about the whole thing, but I did say it to you again, and then we did it, and
that was it.
there you go.
Fearr and an ish.
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
And Daint Quinn. Haggard.
We look awful. We look awful.
No.
But look, another big tour, like Cúimhneacháin of Day and Fish.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think
we left the baby on board tour.
Yeah.
Baby on board. Yeah.
Well,
no, definitely. Like working mother, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Go
for it, girl.
Be great as well. Roll out the baby. Like that would at least be 5 minutes worth of content.
Sorry, if I breastfeed on the podcast, you thought the perfect's like the boots?
Oh my God, amazing.
Calling.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Out.
Love it.
Calling.
Yeah, cool. I rather wine really a hat and lumps now, and I have to say it's mar rinne the Joe Rogan prank.
Bhí sé
sin anamh.
Agus it's kind of like it went down really well, but a little bit of BTS for those of you Savala. Bhí an vertigo ní ra mar glarrit lena cé like an we're having a stupid fight.
What were we writing about?
Oh, sure, God knows.
What was it then?
What was it then is right. And like I really think that like we didn't acknowledge at the time how fucking gas
No, it was hilarious.
because we were both so fumed.
Fuming. We're fuming on each other. But what was gas was I was in a pub in New York City.
Yeah.
Like maybe about a month later, and I went up to the bar. I was drinking all day and I was langers, and I went up to the bar and ordered drinking. The lads were like, "Hi, they got you good with the Joe Rogan thing," and I was like, "Are you fucking serious?" Like I couldn't get away from it. Like they copped in New York.
Well, it was just you leapt into action. You're like, "Okay, girls, this is what we're gonna have to do."
Briefing. I was like, we're getting media training.
Yeah, but that wasn't as cringe as me being like, well, he has this many followers, it'd be really great for the pod. I was like, cringe, like, oh God.
Oh my God, Caitheamh thug all our shit now and Felicia Hogan. I'm gonna go bigger and better.
Yeah. Fair play that
Yeah,
Don
Felicia
Felicia
Hogan.
You have all figured out.
I'm delighted now. I was co-delighted I should.
Mahu.
Yeah, Bhuel was. Cá tell us, ní raibh sé sinach. That was me.
That was me, Martha.
No.
Was it?
Or me, Abron.
Me, Abron. Was that only me, Abron?
Me, Abron, a céad lá.
Yeah, Amadon.
Me, Abron.
Bhí sin anamh.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
And then Husnímer le híana stoka.
Yeah, the inn.
We
Yeah.
had some great guests.
Cé bhí gin dar géad ní.
I think it was Gavin
O'Reilly. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure in Tauchan and Blian Chicago.
Gavin Riley, not
Gavin Riley. Sorry.
Put some
Riley.
respect.
Drop the O.
Yeah.
That tells you now. We live to
Macaro, you'll always know. An Irishman, they say.
No, Lanart, what's the other?
But if they lack that macaro, no Irishman are they?
Oh, no, CC the group chat.
And I will say though, remember he had one of the best answers ever to our 1916
Yeah,
fest.
he did, yeah.
He thought about it and he came out with such a clanger of a great
Yeah, he
fragment.
did,
Yeah, Vishishin Harkeen. Yeah.
Go back to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you'll have to. I actually really thought he was
Yeah, no, around Ian then Scott H. Againn, we had Louise McSharry and Ige Shin, and then all the way up to on Lake Catherine Connolly
I know.
So Covis, Céad and Bud Craila Fish
Begla Feshkin plans
booked in
Yeah. So
Teasers,
plans Laura
teasers.
tacht.
Lads, I've another Bhuel point that we didn't mention.
Oh, go on.
The Powerpuff Girl Emma Manley outfits that we wore. Then
Yeah,
so
they were
young.
fantastic. They were great.
In the
Hall
Liberty
and
Hall.
Saoirse. Yeah, Hall
and Saoirse. Wild.
And we had this. Oh my God, we were so mad about ourselves. Who had a dreadful blow dry? You did. Was that
That
day?
was
bad. Yeah,
very
it was
bad.
bad.
Tight
Horrific.
girl
That
gate.
was horrific.
There's been some bad blow dries along the
But
way.
There's been some
There's
bad
a
blood,
bit-
you know.
But there's been some great ones as well.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Sean, you're focused on the positive, Louise. You
can't-
You
you
often
can't-
hear about the bad blowjobs, but we never
can't
talk
go
about
through
the
life.
We
You
don't talk
can't
about
go
the
through
good ones.
life.
But I will tell you the gas thing about those little outfits. So we got these little metallic leather, real leather, two pieces
gorgeous,
made
yeah.
that we, and in fairness, like, I don't know why we thought we'd get lots of wear out of them. 1, 2, skip a few. Didn't we all land to Electric Picnic to Kneecaps gig in Vienna on Tower Show? Cléasta, Confessa in our Manleys.
And we were and but they're beautiful. They're beautiful
stunning.
pieces, and we need to just be more conscious of getting them out and wearing them. I think
we should rewear them for vacant.
We're doing another rewear.
We are doing another rewear. I think mine probably doesn't fit me if we don't hurt, but anyway.
No, if it me, it'll definitely fit you.
Yeah. Your sympathy grown with me. I appreciate it. But actually, talking to Catherine Connolly, Tá muid céad agus nuair a bhíonn tú céad fáinst tú litir. What? Níl Catherine Connolly céad. Sorry, Catherine. No. Although, do you know actually, so Mo Bháthair Céile is obsessed with star signs, right?
Yes.
And you know Curm Orchestra, Catherine Connolly, Aaron Bud Craila came star signs August, and she said Scorpio.
Yeah.
She wouldn't tell us her breath law. She just said Megan to Mina Sauna. She realized she stopped herself. We're like,
me character Wikipedia.
Tasha, me character Wikipedia. And like, so if you Mo Bháthair Céile, like, what do you mean she's not? It says cancer online. Like, so I thought the breath. Caithí nach bhfuil she gurí, I thought the breath right. Go probably. So no, we got her down to Mina Sauna. So
similar. We'll send an FOI.
Sagittarian Ella in my hell.
Send an FOI and see if we can.
Sorry, an FOI. Anyway, go on. Go on.
But a bhacsibh, sorry, not a bhacsibh. So nuair a cásan tú céad, deganá seolan an tuachtarán litir dit. So we must request one.
I thought you were going to come out with like a fucking late toy show here. So, Céad on Lewis Capaldi.
I cheated up. Well, Joe Rogan wrote us a letter there.
Perfect.
Insert Zoom of Catherine Connolly congratulating us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'd love a litter.
I love a letter. Somebody write us a letter. Go
no
on.
one gives a fuck that we're 100, I'd say really. But it's Barrows.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, who do you think? Who do you think outside of the three of us cares the most?
Sorry.
Céad or a Céad?
On Fihim Mina Dinner Spotify, how much the top 10 put Craila
Yeah. Sorry, I've just taken these out.
You've got a big floppy cracker.
Here we go.
Okay, go on.
Oh, you
held that. You cheated now because you did too much holding.
We'll do another one, so.
No, go on, you see what you got and I'll put on it.
Okay, go back it. Now you're holding it.
I'm not.
You are.
Go on.
Thank you. Like, are you fucking joking me?
Sorry, Louise, such a copycat of me.
What the fuck?
Come on.
Okay, let's see. Right, dad joke. This is my Siobhan Rourke joke.
So we've one for Shiva there.
I've never met anyone who loves a dad joke now as much.
Go on.
No, there's another one here somewhere. Okay, joke. Who gets the sack every time he goes to work?
Who gets the sack?
Yeah, who gets the sack every time he goes to work?
Santa.
Sadie Nanulloch.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good. We have the little capini. I wonder, can I sub out my handlers for this? Okay, do you want my joke?
Yeah. No, ni heshine.
That's a game.
Shin no tan joke. Tashani slew.
Okay. Sorry, did you get us crackers with no prizes in them?
Oh, sorry.
For or to eat, you ungrateful bitch.
Yeah, sorry. By the way, if I had said yes, she would have gone mad.
Well,
and now that was Orna, she'd be like, no, it's fine.
Okay, it's all right, don't worry.
Okay, go on.
I'm in an abusive relationship with Louise.
Why can't a bike stand up by itself? This is actually very good for us.
Go on.
Because it's too tired.
Haggard, is it?
Exhausted. Treachta. Anna-bhuíoch. Shiva, sorry, Brunner, I'm nearly cobble.
No, talk through you can. Hang on.
Well, okay, here.
Oh, no, she didn't.
No.
So go on, to count the contrast. And then they're in for the microphone engine.
Yeah. Now, second one. Will McCav? Oh, Tom McCav Mahata. Okay.
Okay, big glint of yogurt.
Now,
thought you all. There we go.
Okay.
3, though. Hey.
Here, I'll put it there. Go on. We'll give it now.
Dramatic
effect. For fuck's sake, put it beside the microphone there.
Ana-bhuíoch.
Oh Jesus! Okay, the wheels are coming off. Okay. That's actually running to come again. Bád an ummercha le háv lína news. The Céad episode news. The wheels fell off.
Yeah.
Okay. Why did nobody bid for Rudolph and Blitzen on eBay?
Because they were too dear.
Yes!
Amazing.
It's very tight, is it?
Yeah, it is. I was worried.
It's not that tight on there in Louise.
Yeah, that's true. My head is actually.
You actually might.
I'm only joking.
I know. I think
you
it's
don't know
not
that's it. Now, Stella, right? And so I was going to ask, what do you think is the most embarrassing? We've had a lot of embarrassing moments just generally on the podcast. Like for me. A real signature for me is sometimes when we have a live show, I just get drunker and drunker as we go on, and the wheels totally came off. Like for example, when I accidentally unveiled my tit on Christmas show, this was Ainge Grev Egg on live podcast. Yeah, you know the story, but to make a very long story short, I got very drunk at the Christmas show last year. I was very excited, got in the Christmas spirit, and the next thing I put up a selfie of all of us, and unbeknownst to me, exposed my whole left breast through my top. Like, you could see the whole thing. Now it's quite small, so you'd be forgiven to have missed it.
Ach, bhí sé ann.
But bhí sé ann agus bhíon sinne amach agus I came off the stage at halftime, and I had a message from my good friend Padar O'Gill, who's a great man, and he was like, "Darn, you know, good the tit amach with her the Instagram story," and thousands of people had seen it. And if you were at our show, you would have seen it too, because we did get it up on the big screen and show everybody. But me, I think exposing my tit was
mileage.
Mileage out of that. Though.
Yeah, we did get mileage out of it. We got a lot of mileage out of the front. So
I don't think that was your best live show moment, though. The best live show moment for Darren for me had to be a reached via Mercury now.
Well oiled.
I know.
Well
I don't
oiled,
think
right?
Raw.
Yeah, so we were in Boston. Actually, it was such a great night. It's also, this is like a double-edged sword, because it was such a highlight.
I tell you, nobody had a wilder time in the world than we did in America. We had a wild time.
We actually
it was
thought
insane.
we were like rock and roll stars.
Well, we were for 3 days.
For 3 days only.
For 3 days only. It was mental.
It was, but we were anyway. We were in the middle of the show, full flight, flying through it anyway, and it was kind of a calamity of errors that day. We were still dealing with suitcase gate. Darren didn't have a suitcase. For those who don't know the story, we'd had a bit of an argument ourselves. It was pissing snow in Boston. We were up the walls. We were backstage. It was all now like a series of unfortunate events. So we're downstairs, and we say the only way we can deal now with all of these moods is that if we drink a pile of vodka. So we're down the green room anyway, and we're singing "Shipping Up to Boston." We're getting ready to go on stage, and also in the middle of all of this, the projector, which the whole show was on, we were told that the venue doesn't have a screen, so there's no projector, so we're raw dogging it as well. So we're like, at least we'll raw dog it fully meshka, because that is the best way to do it. So there were 3 little stolines bug up on the stage, and we were like, here we go, the 3 of us go anyway, and we're mid-show, and like, with fairness, we were following the same kind of a running order of the againn, and like live mics in front of all of us, right? And I was sitting in the middle of the tea, and in the middle of it, Darren kind of tapped my knee, and I was like, okay, like obviously we're in front of a live audience with live
Boston,
mics,
Massachusetts,
and she was like, Louise. I'm like, okay,
no,
part of the show.
She whispering, but being mics along.
Very drunk.
And as if, exactly, they couldn't hear Louise, and I'm like, okay, maybe it's part of the show. Roll with it, because we're prosciutto like that.
Like that.
Roll with it, Louise, I need to pee. I'm going to go to the toilet. I was like, okay, Darren, I think you've announced it to the room. So dog to on stage.
Oh my god, middle of a live show for a wee,
Oh, beauty.
Not the first time I've done it.
And not the last.
But do you know what was terrible about that? It was a Wednesday night in February in Boston, Massachusetts, and we are good friends with the lads who own the bar that we had the party or the show in, and they just kept the whole place open for us all night. The place was jammed with people, so we didn't leave that bar until ridiculous o'clock in the morning. We were booked on for a train to New York at 11 o'clock the next morning. So like panic stations, back to the Airbnb, pack up the bag.
Shout out especially to
we
Ellen Wall, because I know she's
fair play to Ellen Wall.
Have you pogie?
I know.
Charlie
the next day we found a picture of their dog the banjo at Poga, Aaron Mar.
I was a lesbian for one night only. I was experimenting with my sexuality. Anyway, no sleep, get straight on the train to New York City, and we were so disorientated.
That was Aaron train.
Mute Aaron train. No, that we had to sleep. Yeah, it was horrific. And that's when I did get on the train with Louise's knickers in my hair, because I was like trying to. Anyway, it was a disaster.
That trip will go down as one of the worst.
No, it was amazing.
The best. What do you mean?
That train trip.
The train trip.
4 hours. 4 hours, and we hadn't slept, and it was a nightmare. We were like, it was a nightmare.
Anyway. Can I say my favourite thing Darren's done at a live show?
Yeah. Oh God.
Yeah. No, it was Aaron Bud Create show. We kind of like tend to avoid the gnáver the enter put Create, so we kind of avoid like agony and stuff, or like what are your aches and all this kind of stuff. And Darren would like ní mal and shitty yenov fucking electric picnic. Darren goes right. Who has a question for me? Just change you box of slua. Who's having issue in their love life? Come on now. You come on. Like
no, it was
I think it's Tomatash ain't an irritant ortha knock netta would shit.
I know.
She's took it upon herself. She's doing a fall care start. She's doing a one woman show now.
I went off kilter. Look, what you will get.
Darren comes into her own and thought, to be fair, you're a different beast. She's a different beast when she gets up under those seal she and the mic and the lava. Anything's possible. Guys,
the places you'll go, the people you'll see, unbelievable. Guys, I see you're all excited for our live shows in 26. I'm nothing but not myself.
Yeah.
Sinead.
An dochtúir
See,
dúirní
she got all the attention for that at the electric picnic, and actually I got not one
For your
2
worm.
breasts out for the worm.
Oh, your breasts.
I actually landed in the
She
splits
did
when I
actually, in
and not
fairness
one,
to her.
but I got the full frontal of both out.
You
And your
got
arse
that,
was pretty
and your
out
arse
as well.
was out actually. You were in
So there
great.
you go.
looked great.
I get it all out and don't ask for any attention for it.
What are you just doing right
I
now?
would like Padre Bhuel to call me and
Louise,
And
when
to
we, were at
tell me
other,
that-
when we were at Other Voices last weekend, actually, in fairness, because I'm always going on
was
about
putting
how
in a
much
shift
I'm
with
mad
him, I
about
was
Padre, and
flirting,
he's
yeah.
so great. And Louise is like, nothing would do her now, only to put in a shift with Padre.
Yeah.
And she did, in fairness,
I
and
did.
she was like, we
was
were
on
all
side, I
around me
think.
like, Padre's not getting away here until he's just mad about Louise.
Yeah.
And look, mission accomplished.
exactly.
Mission
So
accomplished.
Padre, on the off chance go to Geisha, I'll take
Definitely
it.
not a
Off
Geisha.
chance.
Definitely not a
He's
Geisha.
a busy man.
We gave Padder's girlfriend, just by chance, a shout out last weekend.
Oh.
Gemma Doherty, unbelievable musician. Soak was talking about her.
Oh, right, okay.
And now we're all about Padder. So look, nothing will do. I suppose we'll have to get Padder and Gemma out on stage. They're
Padre,
great.
I'll
They're
do for
great.
you a private worm into the splits the next
Nah,
time.
there
I
you
see
go. They're a great bohemian arty kind of a vibe.
That's an
There's an
offer.
offer you
That's
can't decline.
You should give that to people so they can raffle it off, or they can,
Actually, you
you
should,
know,
but you need that exact top.
or they can tell it. There was another
I'm
reel
sure
that
it's
we
in the
shared about the two of you having similar
Breasts.
no, not breasts, but
Depending on mine can fluctuate in size, so sometimes
no,
they're
you were
big,
talking
sometimes
about
they're
how
not.
similar your sexual appetites would be, because both of you are born close.
Yeah, we do have very
So we were
similar
like-
sexual appetites.
Yeah.
Lavender or something, was it?
Yeah, you went
Yeah.
from like both liking lavender to both liking the same things in bed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
Keela
well,
now.
the other. Sorry,
Well,
this
after
is
hearing
chronic.
Darren's sketch at the Galway Comedy Fest, I could say I don't think we have the same sexual appetite.
Why? What did
What did she say about that? Oh yeah,
But you were
Jesus.
thinking about.
No,
doing
but she
that.
didn't do it,
But
Louise.
what you were thinking. You were thinking.
Oh,
the
about the
what would be
OnlyFans.
the person.
The
No,
OnlyFans
not the
person.
OnlyFans.
No.
On Rud and New Aurach that everyone's mad
Rodella.
about New Aurach.
Yeah, but like I
That
didn't.
now, I'd
I
be
was
signing
only
you into somewhere
I
if
was
I thought
only.
you were
I
at
was
that.
only toying with that. I wasn't toying. I was only toying with the idea. Now, Siobhan O'Rourke's maybe has fallen off the cliff of that. Have you done that?
What?
I just thought you would have done that. No.
I'm about to be a mother. I can't discuss that.
That's a yes.
That's a
Anyway,
yes.
that's a yes.
Yeah,
Definitely
you see,
she has done that.
I couldn't do that. I would be under pressure there in that department.
Yeah.
I would now. I
Okay.
really
Yeah.
would.
Put him under pressure.
There,
Okay.
Put him under pressure.
No, actually,
Look, try
sorry, is this
anything-
about the finger?
No.
Oh no, sorry. Okay, never mind.
Okay, I guess a book a ride. Come with Kate Bliandish. Kate episode to eat.
The 100-year-old virgins. Go ahead.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it.
yeah.
But no, look, I think we'll go in súil siar déanta gin.
Yeah.
Just dermuid gur magan fle gachta
Yeah.
héis fé géist le héis goile gáblin.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know?
Thank God we're talking at the moment anyway. I mean, the three of us, there's nothing worse than having these bitches.
Okay, tá na cáilí chun stoppa a go prosecco is agus rock right go right
Are we still tapping?
flúis. We're still at top
Oh,
of
sorry.
Oh,
Glúis, yeah.
Jesus Christ. Okay, right.
flúis and then fog with gachta because I'd say
Okay.
their heads are wrecked by us.
Okay,
Yeah,
a bumper episode on Tacht Show.
Absolutely.
Right.
Okay, Camora Kate Blian.
We fear Nick Shaw.
Camora Kate Epp. Yeah, go
Yeah.
on.
I've had an extra glass of Nuna
So
and I can
cheery.
tell.
Orna, do you need
I'm
to
just
say-
gonna go ahead.
Top them up.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do the
Orna,
glue.
our Donegal Rose.
Tá sheets instead of shin. Shinna nu dida is a nipple.
Oh, yeah.
Machnov. Tá man dina Machnov. Labre has son of dit.
No.
Are you trying
Neil
to get
Ain
me to-
Shavu.
Sorry,
Here,
Orna.
Orna has that written in. I love
You
this.
give
This is
Orna the
so chaotic and Mr. Siglara to
No,
camera.
Orna, I don't need any more of this now. I'll
Yeah,
tell you
shin
that.
point about Orna
Yeah,
actually. It's
flipped.
Labre has son of dit. Ní hunna dit.
Yeah.
Shin
real
both the
passionate.
NC got on a cuicinta, you know, so if you
All
learned-
right, actually, this is something we've discovered. Which
we
camera
go.
should I talk to for this?
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
In the last 2 years, I may have been once Moonthor, but actually the real Moonthor among us is Siobhan O'Rourke. Siobhan O'Rourke.
I don't even deny it.
She says, I'm pouring another glass of zero
It
seconds.
suits her so good.
So
I'll
well.
give you a bit of inside. I'll give you a bit of behind the curtain exclusive
Inside here.
now. You don't want Siobhan O'Rourke to be checking on your upper body. So
No.
you don't.
Tá Pierre Moore Dargagum and I'm not afraid to use it.
You might
You
get away
better
with it
watch
once.
out. You better watch out. You
better have that
not
upper
shout.
body
I'm
done.
telling you why. Siobhan O'Rourke
Yeah.
is coming to
No, Shiva,
town.
in the days of corporal punishment, you'd have been giving us a slap on our knuckles. You would. You'd have been like,
Siobhan
Louise, but
O'Rourke.
you just said, Louise, look, you'd have had your bottom on.
I'd have my real or.
You actually
the
would
real
say,
or
upper value?
Overval.
Oh.
Yeah.
Níl sé dainte.
Yeah, but I know, but Louise, ní dhéaná an but in ríis an nenha.
Never change though. This
No,
is the
yeah,
fear.
no.
I tell you,
when
we're
you're imhamach on the Sira Murach, there'll not be a real between us.
there won't be a
That's what I'm afraid
scarvalo
of.
to be seen.
Orna.
Guys, we're all excited.
Orna, you've got.
We've got
John
about well, Shiva's claiming she's going to take 3 months of maternity leave. We don't believe a word of it.
No.
We don't believe a word of it, but there won't be a scarvalo to be seen for at least 6 weeks.
As for the Rita, like
anxiety.
we'll have to come up with at least 1 or 2.
She'll be rocking.
I will. I'll be like,
I
Somalia, like, oh my
she'd
God,
be rocking.
Crystal
She'd be
arrived,
rocking the child, just sleeping like.
I know. But you can still give out to us, and you should.
I will.
You should check in.
Okay.
About the more. We'll have to get you about the more. Would that be nice? You'd be into that now.
For God's sake. That's Yup na Shockna is about the more than Tony, no right?
Yup na Shockna. Brad O'Shivany roar.
Woo!
Tommy Trick or Tree.
You're my favourite Limerick age. I will not bring up 32 gate because my both Jern and myself would be glad to see the back of 32.
We'll be glad to see the back.
Or Michael Collins' birthday, we won't bring that up, but I'll tell you what we will bring up. 33 is your Limerick birthday. Do you know why?
Why?
Because you say it like 33.
33.
33.
It's also your Jesus Christ birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
Today is actually the Immaculate Conception. I always thought that was Mary.
What,
that
a coincidence?
immaculately conceived.
Yeah?
It's not. Do you know that?
What is it?
It's
Jesus.
not. It's Mary, Holy Mary, Mother of God's day that her father inseminated her mother. It's her conception.
So weird.
What?
So happy
so
Jizz Day, Mary's parents.
Why are we celebrating that?
That's the Immaculate Conception.
Is it?
I swear to God, because
No, I don't think
that's
so.
so
I
That's not immaculate.
swear to God, it is because she is the one who immaculately conceived.
Guys, what I know about
She
Catholic
was
Church,
conceived.
none of it is good.
And let me-
What
Sorry.
is the Immaculate
Shiva,
Conception?
how could it be her due date? She had Jesus on the 25th of December. She couldn't be getting knocked up like on the 8th.
Do you believe the timeline of fucking...
What? Google it right now. This is the day that Mary
Yes,
Immaculate
the Immaculate
What's her name?
Conception is a Catholic dogma
Mary,
that
Holy
states
Mary. What's her
Mary
surname?
Holy
was
Mary, Mother of God.
preserved free from original sin.
It's
Do you
Mary's.
think I have a breeze?
No,
what
it
Mary's
is. It's Mary conceiving.
surname is.
No, it's not. It's Mary being conceived.
Guys,
it
will I
was the day
sing you
Mary
good? Will I
Catholics be in
sing you?
touch.
Will I sing you
Mary's
good?
birthday is
Wait,
Sing us
December.
out,
I'll
please.
sing you out.
Sing us out.
This is a Christmas Shanna song that I learned from Joe Heaney. Okay, I'll just sing you one verse.
No, look.
Okay. Chuidir suas a síos na sráidena, nes ní fóridir an díd an ann, nó go dána dur go stabla nefa, cha úrín rim lo. You'll take on tachosta, iad a hog an tahasan schnachte, nagus rugulchon land of nefa, nidir bula nagus asel. Alleluia, nagus alleluia, nagus o chones wochon, nagus alleluia. Up Jesus Christ, Labra
Can you
Hannah.
just do one more verse with a rat miscan?
Oh my God.
No, that's the end of it. That's the end of it.
it.
Now.
No,
Come
no,
on,
Hannah.
we are going to the pub.
Can we do
Jesus,
one really
up
quick rant?
Santa,
Up Jesus,
up Daddy na Nullag, Gurmy na Mahagul,
Up how to go?
Up how to go.
Rattanish gailil, gailil, rattanish gailil,
Diddly idle doodle dum ba dum ba dum ba dum da do.